Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your search history on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as well any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply going to your phone and accessing your YouTube app. Once you have done so, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? Then afterwards you're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon that will be just given below right corner. This kind of profile interface is gonna pop up first. Afterwards you can see this option called history here and this option of view all. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will show all of the history for us, and if you tap see this three dot icon on top, go ahead, tap on it, right? You can see clear all watch history, manage all history. Go ahead, tap on this manage all history. You can see now we can see all kind of history that we have, that so far we did, right? First thing we can go ahead, simply gonna go ahead, cross it out one by one as well. We can delete it, otherwise we need to go ahead, tap on delete all, deletion complete, and cross it again, tap on delete all time, and now tap on this delete. This will simply delete all of the search history that we had from our YouTube, like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.